So now we are in June. So June, at a glance. On the windowsill saw peas, so I'll be sowing peas later on when I get back. Water leek seedlings to keep the compost moist. Harden off. I've already hardened off the dwarf French beans. In the raised bed, sow some beetroot seeds directly into the soil. And number 7, which is right next to the Swiss chard, as you can see on there. I need to harvest my potatoes. Pop a few sweet baby broad beans from their pods at the end of this month. So we've got peas to do, leeks to plant, dwarf French beans to plant, kale to probably pot on if we're not planting them this month, beetroot to sow, and there we have it. So it looks like I'm going to be harvesting my potatoes because we're going to be putting the leeks there. As I started digging the potatoes up, I noticed they were all really little still, definitely not ready to harvest. So I just kept the ones that I dug up as tiny little new potatoes. I'm going to be keeping the rest in, and I won't be harvesting them until the July video. And I'll have to put the leeks in the July video as well. So this is the potatoes. Oop. Yep, this is how little the potatoes are, and not many really. Dwarf French beans ready to go in. So that's them finally in, and there's a little red worm because there's lots of manure under this as well. And that's the spare to go on the other allotment for the Three Sisters method. Now I'm just going to be sowing the beetroot next to the chard. Professionally sowing the beetroot.